You spend some serious time staring at a digital screen, probably around 8 hours a day. There's work, video games, surfing the web, and every other function of life on all our devices. Hey, we live in an age where everything is digital. It's just par for the course, right? But have you ever thought about the impact all that has on your eyes? All that screen time is going to affect your vision. Maybe now, maybe later, but it's gonna happen. We're talking everything from eye fatigue and headaches to eyes that are so dry and irritated, they could make even the techiest dude alive want to go analog. Now, you're either thinking, yeah, I've had those freaking headaches, or, I was wondering what that fire ants in my eyes feeling was, or you've never experienced any of this. But you may. It's pretty hard to do the stuff you love if your eyes are feeling exhausted or burnt out. But it's not like less time in front of a screen is an option these days. So what do? It's like you need some crazy awesome invention that can help your eyes stay fresh and protect them so that you can get the most out of your digital consumption. Introducing Gunnar Optics. Gunnars are these super sweet computer glasses that make it easier and more comfortable to enjoy all your digital activities. There's seriously some NASA-grade stuff going on here, but basically, they have this uber-smart lens technology that improves your visual experience, protects your vision, and helps prevent wear and tear on your eyes. Gunnar's yellow lenses filter out harsh artificial light, which helps you see better, and they relax your eyes and stop them from straining constantly. Plus, they help combat all those other nasty side effects of staring at screens all day, like eye fatigue and dryness. And no worries if you already wear glasses. Gunnars come in prescriptions too. Most importantly, Gunnars look awesome. If you're gonna geek out in front of a screen all day, you ought to look good doing it. Gunnars give you the necessary upgrade you need to enjoy all the digital goodness you can feast your eyes on. Your eyes do a lot for you. Return the favor.